food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're making waves in the kitchen with 3 incredible tuna recipes to lose weight without sacrificing taste. So let's get started. Wait! Before starting tuna recipe video, we introduce you with alpha-liin, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 3. Tuna and vegetable stir-fry. Let's finish strong with a tuna and vegetable stir-fry that's bursting with flavors. In a hot skillet or wok, saute the minced garlic and ginger in sesame oil. Add your choice of assorted vegetables and stir-fry until they're tender crisp. Add the drained tuna, soy sauce, or tamari, and red pepper flakes, and continue to stir-fry until everything is well combined. Serve it over cooked brown rice or cauliflower rice. It's a quick and flavorful stir-fry that's high in protein and low in calories. Recipe 2. Tuna stuffed bell peppers. For a filling and low-calorie meal, try our tuna stuffed bell peppers. Cut the tops off the bell peppers, remove the seeds and membranes, and blanch them. In a separate bowl, mix the tuna, cooked quinoa or brown rice, diced tomatoes, chopped spinach or kale, minced garlic, and seasonings. Stuff the mixture into the bell peppers. Top with grated cheese if you like, and bake until the peppers are tender. It's a delicious and wholesome dish that's perfect for a balanced meal. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 1. Tuna and avocado salad. Start your day with a refreshing and satisfying tuna and avocado salad that's loaded with nutrients. Simply combine the tuna, diced avocados, cherry tomatoes, and red onion in a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice, season with salt and pepper, and garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley. It's a colorful and delicious salad that's packed with healthy fats and lean protein, ready to shed those extra pounds. Get alpha-liin? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video!